Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? So this is gonna be day 2 of the North Coast Festival vlog. So if you guys already saw day 1, if you haven't, actually go check it out. It was pretty chill, or it's alright. A lot of good friends, a lot of new people. Did do a lot of candy trips, a lot of like followers and stuff like that. That was pretty cool. Gotta see my girl Aspen. We love her. Shout out to her. If you haven't checked out the podcast episode on Fetsy Hub podcast, check it out. We go deep into like what it takes to be a content. No, sorry, it was a festival coordinator, all right, market coordinator. So definitely check that out. But all right, get ready for day 2 of North Coast Festival. So they're getting ready.
Oh boy.
We got Emma Capotes in the house.
We're all getting ready.
It's always everybody getting
Day
ready.
one's like a mess right now.
Everyone's really getting ready. They're like, oh my gosh, should I bring the bag or not the bag? Just bring all of it. All right, so I'm saying goodbye to my friends soon. I mean, oh, they're headed to ARC.
We'll see you tomorrow.
I'm ready. I'm waiting for Phil from 88 to wake up and do things and let me into his hotel room. So I'm just wasting time for now. But they're gonna ARC. They're gonna go see. Who are you seeing, anyways?
Fritz, Dapper, Jaluka, Hot Since 82, Patrick Topley.
She's got the lineup memorized. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, so Phil says it's safe to go up. Now they just woke up. That's why I was like, hey, can I come up? Hold on, they're messaging me right now. Phil, please stop. No, you're texting too much. Please stop it. I gotta go pee. 17:03. Oh wait, that's not him. What the hell? It's Maria. Oh, Chubby Wubby. What do you want? You okay? Now me on a video chat before I get to this.
That's right. What's up? Day 2, baby.
Day 2. Let's go. Fucking at it, my dude. Oh my god. Okay, you brought one.
I'll be really quiet.
Say something wise.
Your friends are your friends. Always remember that. They took my vape, bro. They took my vape, bro.
What? No.
They took my vape, bro.
R.I.P. the vape.
I'm gonna help tell
Howdy.
Yep.
Bad news.
Bad news? What bad news?
We have to throw away your trucks.
That's okay. They also took my vape. But they kept my joints.
Okay, so I'm here, North Coast, with Phil, Radiate, the world.
That's right.
She's fixing her hair.
Yes,
She's
right.
doing the things. We got an hour till the meetup. We're gonna go see somebody. You look amazing.
Actually, yeah, we're gonna advertise the high fives that way.
Perfect.
Thanks, buddy. Happy North Coast.
What's your name?
My name is
B? Nice to
She
meet you.
goes as Mood Candy or Candy?
Mood Candy.
Mood Candy
Mood
on
Candy.
IG and TikTok.
Word. I love you. Thank you. Enjoy today. Yes. 100%.
Okay, I'm Sister Klutz. I forgot that we had a meetup, but I made it for it, but I forgot to record. So here's the people for the meetup. We got the fam here, the fam here, the fam there. We got homies. Homies, we got the whole Feel the Radiate. We got homies over there. We got over there. We got homies over there. We got the homies over here, over there. I forgot to record. That's on me. My bad. But it was huge. The pictures on my Instagram though. low-key, it's just fucking huge. It's huge.
Oh, it's huge.
We just had our meetup. I'm gonna go to the back though. I'm gonna see what's up, you know? So Charles the first is playing right now. I don't know, man. I think everybody's here, but I can't find them. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's it. I want to get.
You're amazing, bro. Thank you. You're gonna be okay.
Do you think you're vibrating?
Now I am. A metallic vibration. Yeah, I do.
Let's go.
Did you get everything? Give me a good one, bro. Give me a good one.
Oh shit, hey, what's up?
What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Good, man. You?
I'm good.
Hi.
We keep ending up at...
All right, I'm back to the hotel. I took the wrong bus to the wrong part of town, so I just ended up Ubering from that part of town here, which sucked because I paid for a shuttle for no reason. But we're here. It was a bunch of great shows though. Grizz at the end, fucking amazing. And then I got to hang out with my buddy Jake. I mean, very rarely that I get to hang out with him, so it was pretty cool seeing him. But we're here with Safe and Sound. And there's Dan. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs. Subscribe, like, do the things. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.